Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video you're going to learn how to use the kiosk. The Kiosk app is a link that you can put on a tablet, and this link will allow your members to be able to check themselves into the class that they are taking or check themselves into the facility if they're just coming to use the facility without taking a class or a PT session. So let's get started. On the top right of the screen, we're going to click on the menu icon and click on Attendance. We're going to scroll to the bottom where it says Customize your kiosk's look. Here, you can change the colors that are most relevant to your studio's brand. If you don't know what the hex colors are for your studio, you can ask one of the customer success managers or support staff to help. You can also choose between the class view and the search view. We're going to see these views shortly. To get the link, you can copy the link in your dashboard and then paste it onto whatever tablet you may be using at the front desk or reception area of your studio. For now, I'm just going to preview on the desktop view. The views are the same, either on the desktop or the Kiosk app. This login area is a login area for staff only. So at the beginning of the day, whichever staff member is on duty would be logging in with their email address and password. So I will use my admin login and password and click on sign in. As you can see, the colors have updated to my brand's colors. Here we see as well the name of the class and the people who are booked into the class. And we can flip through the different classes for that particular day. Please note that the kiosk will only show that day's classes. So if you do not have a class on a particular day, the kiosk in the class view will not show anything. When the member comes in, they see their class, they see their name on the class that they are attending, and they just click on check in. So just as a reminder again, here we are in the class view. If I switch to the search view and click on update and just give a quick refresh on the page, when the member comes in, they will be searching for their name and then click on check in. The search view on the kiosk works exactly like the barcode scanning. When the member clicks on check in, if they are not booked into a class, they will just be checked into the facility and populate the access tab in the home area. If the member is booked into a class, when they click on check in, they will be automatically booked into the class. There's one more function here for on the Kiosk app, and if someone does not have a profile, they can use the kiosk to create their own profile. Once they create their own profile, one of the staff members can then book the person into a class as a drop-in client or even sign them up on a membership. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Kiosk app, and we'll see you on the next video.